Good morning all, and today we are going to demonstrate a new video conferencing application, and it's absolutely free. So first of all, we have to download the application. It's called freeconferencecall.com. From there you can download all the applications for Windows, Linux, Mac machines. So the first and great interesting thing with this application is we can accommodate up to 1000 callers. It's absolutely free, and the maximum time you can have for a single video conference call is 6 hours. That is a great one. So this is the website for the freeconferencecall.com. So the website homepage itself says that how many participants can be on a single conference. A maximum of 1000 participants can join a conference with high definition audio, screen sharing and video conferencing. There is a limit of the length of a conference call? Yes, absolutely there is a limit. Each conference call can be up to 6 hours with unlimited numbers of calls allowed. Can I record my conference call or online meeting? We can record, and they are providing 1 GB of free space. If you want more, you have to buy. Is there any limit how many times we can use the same account? No, there is no limit for this one. And a lot of information are in the website itself. First, what you have to do is you have to create a free account by clicking this one. It will go to the create my free account. You have to give your email and a password. So this is the one I'm creating a free account. That's all. Directly go to your dashboard. Your account is now active. There is no information, nothing, but definitely I get a mail. And first it says an Indian number. We can dial into this meeting with access code, host pin and everything. So you can host a conference call with your mobile also, or you can, even if you want, you can go host online meeting with the desktop application. So this is the detail. And first of all, if I want to change my photos or anything, I can do that. The basic things I can change from here. So if I want, I can upload pictures. Maybe I have some pictures in my here, and I'm selecting one and it's open. That's all. Okay, apply. So is my personal one. If you are going to apply for your company, you can put your company details here. So there is a contribution option. Suggested amount $4 per month or $6, whatever you want. You can pay for because they need to host the service. They should have expense. If you want, you can contribute, or you can buy. There are some services they are providing for paid services. For example, if you want a custom greetings, for example, somebody joined the greeting, you can greet your own regional language or your own voice clips. And those things, custom hold music, toll-free audio, those things you can buy. If you want extra storage, you can buy. For 81 GB, it's $20 per month, or maybe the 10 GB, $3 per month. That's sufficient for a normal, small or medium company or a personal use. So once you start this one, definitely you get a meeting wall. Okay, meeting wall is just like your dashboard. So you will get all the things, freeconferencecall.com. If you want, you can edit this one, your name, should be here. If you want, I can say so. If you want address, you can say you can add the address here. So whatever address if you want. So if you want any extra thing is so if you save the one, sorry, again I have to, there is a small thing, so I forgot to remove that one. So first time it says like that. You say your personal information. If you want to change to your personal details, it will be here. So online meeting ID will be Viju27. So if you want, you can edit those things, edit my address and everything is here. You can save to company one. So this is my personal one. That is my meeting wall. And again, you can, for the setting side, if you want, you can say the basic things. You can change to Viju27 to something else if you want. For example, I would like to use for my company ID, I am using this one, Alt Digital. Okay, I'm just changing this one. So your meeting ID should be like this. The same way you can change to Viju, or you can say Alt Innovations. I'm giving my Indian company name here. So the basic things are updated, and other things what you have to do is based on the wall. The web core control you have to change, and you have to click to edit, and you have to give a reset to your company profile if you want to do that one. For example, and I think I have given somewhere. Maybe I have something here. I will select one of the company docs. I think I have alt.in, alt logo graphics, alt logo signature. I think this is the smallest one. I can give this one. Okay. So this is I apply the one. I absolutely give you a perfect corporate look for my meeting information. So same way we have to change here also. Alt Innovations India. So this we have to change the address. Okay. India Private Limited. Contact video@all.in. Please call me plus +1. I'm giving my right proper address and everything here, and I save the one. So I have changed the address here part, but that's okay, I will change later. Okay, this is the one, this is the way we edit the basic settings once you register the one. The second option is the web controls. So web control means you want to host an online meeting. Definitely it will ask you to download desktop application based on your systems, and then after that you have to install that one. So you have to understand two things. The wall give you the basic details of the company. So the meeting ID should be, when you host the one, freeconferencecall.com/alt-digital, that will be your meeting ID. So that where if you want, you have to change here. Other thing is the web controls. Web controls means where you can, if you already started meetings, you can add many things here, just like meeting settings, for if you want entry exit tones, announce caller count, only the host, display attendee list. So if you want only the host or to everyone, wait for host, I mean those things we can enable here. And other thing is, the second one is, if once you started the host meeting, those other things will be enabled here. So again I am going to my settings. This is the details of the things, everything is here. Okay, so this is my email address. So if you want, you have to send a verification email again. So you definitely need a verification to host the meeting. Then the second thing what you have to do is you have to start the desktop application. Here already I have installed this one. So I have the installed application will be here. This is basically purely a desktop application. So this is my one of the oldest one. So what I have to do is I have to profile, I have to log out. So again I have to log in with the newly created ID. I don't know they asked for the verification or no, it didn't ask for. So definitely what we have set up there in the web profile already come to the desktop application. Again I will show you, this is a desktop one because it's already installed here. This is the icon FCC, the icon we get in the Linux operating system. The same thing you will get in the Windows also. So once you have there, you have two options. This is your preference and this is your home, where you have to host a meeting. And the settings and homes are when you click on the top icon and the bottom settings are same. For example, general, profile. So just wait for it is taking from the web already, from the server itself. The audio, I mean, if you want, you can same a system. If you want ambient noise reduction systems, work well and very good quality. And definitely the video should be here. Definitely it may show my video here. Okay. And another thing is advanced configuration. If you want to go for the proxy configuration, if any update come, automatically check for the update. We are using the latest version because today in the morning I have updated the one. Then again we go back to the one we host a meeting, or if you want to join a next meeting, you have to press this join button, or we have to host this meeting. So I'm clicking on the host button now. So remember that this is a desktop application. So I'm clicking on the host. So definitely I got all the steps here. So dial into the meeting. If somebody wants to dial into the meeting, they can use this one 0172 510 and 58 to dial into the meeting with the access code. Okay. And second one is if you want the PIN. Well, that have to the access code and PIN we have to, this will send to them. So if you want to, if you are using this phone, you can or you can join with computer audio. So the two way we can use the one. So I'm joining with the computer video. Imagine that there is a mute. The microphone is not muted here. And I have to start my video. If you want to start the video here, you have to press the one. Join with computer audio. I am just pressing the join with computer audio. That's all. So we are into the system, and I got a welcome message and a greeting tone. I can hear the greeting tone. All controls are from here. If you want to start the video, just press the video button here. This is the video. Definitely to enable the video. So I think when my video, you can see my pictures here. So I'm stopping the video now. Again, if you want to invite someone, you can show the invite code. Definitely to share the invite code, you can send the invite code to copy to clipboard, and you can send to WhatsApp or email or anything. So fccdl.in/alt-digital. This is my international dial number. You can dial. If somebody want to dial in, they can go to the website and dial the international number. The other thing is, you can go join with this one. This is all digital, and online, this is my meeting ID. Alt digital is my meeting ID. So you have to join with this meeting ID with the access code. So again, you have to click on the hide invitee. Then it got the main screen. If you want to share something, for example, if I want to share a screen or something, you can do that one. So definitely the screen sharing will work once you click on this one. For example, it asks for you to select all. So desktop one. So if you want, the existing application will start here. So I prefer, before doing this one, you have to open whatever you want to share. For example, if you want to share a demonstration or a PowerPoint presentation or something, let me check that I have something here. So I think I have some ham radio related stuff here in my download, or maybe in my document. I think there was some. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to present my technology profile with this one. So I have opened this one. Before that, I have to close all the unwanted things here. Closing this one. At present, I have only 3 windows are open. So again, going back to this one, I'm going to share. I have to select only this one. I'm sharing only this one. Okay, start sharing. So automatically it come here. When you open, it will come here. If you want your picture, if you enable the video, your video will be here. So definitely show you more here. If you click, your video will be in the small one, and you can see the other participant in this window. So the presentation is shared, and the other people are definitely seeing the presentation now. So I am changing this presentation 1 to the full screen and change to presentation mode. So the other people get a complete full screen presentation. Now we are into the presentation mode, and we can do the presentation. So this is about my company profile, alt digital, alt innovations, what we do, what kind of technology we are using, the product prototyping, research and development, and those things. So what are the areas we work? Wireless technology we are working here, and on-chip microcontrol, and peripherals, and external peripherals and interfacing. We are working on all these technologies, and user interface, hardware and software, and sensors. What are the sensors we are working on? Communication protocol. What are the communication protocol we are working on? And what about the 32-bit microcontroller, 60-bit microcontroller, and 8-bit microcontroller? All the details are here for the, and all things. Most of the technology things we have presented here. This is a very very core technical presentation for my company. So that's all. Then I close the one. Again, I go back to here. I stop sharing here. Just click on the stop sharing. So I stop sharing here. I click on this stop share. It will stop sharing. Then if you want to, again I can enable my video here, going back to the video mode, and Other options, like if you want to record the things, you can record over the thing. So this way it works. So okay, I will continue the session in the next video. I am stopping the video here. Again, I am closing this one, minimizing this one to my this one. Again, if you want to close, if you want to leave the one, you can just leave the one. If you want to see the attendees, there is only one attendees here. So there are a lot of things like a question answer session. If you want to start a question answer session, so you can start a question answer session. You can use this feature for the using phone or your web based application, or the desktop based application. You can use this one to start to. So the Q&A session started. You have to ask for the question, and with the question, one by one questions we can clear based on the participant ask. So it's all there. So I will show you some interesting things here. There is a tutorial for this one. You can go here, and definitely you will get a lot of information how to start for. So host instructions, participant instruction, those kind of things, the general fact. So this section cover all the very basic advanced details of this meeting. Thanks for today's meeting, and we are leaving this living presentation. I just click on the leave button, so it leave the meeting. It's stopped. So again, you have to come back to your normal state. That's all. I'm closing this one. Thank you, and thanks for participating, and for this demonstration. This is Victor Uniform number 2, Hotel Bravo India, VE2HCBI, CEO of Alt Innovations India Private Limited. Bye bye.